Okay, so I know a lot of you not exactly gotten to see this, but this is my 1961 Chrysler Newport. I'm gonna on the windows there just a little bit. As you can see, we have the manuals there and everything. Actually runs pretty well. Everything works, everything's good with it. It seems to be running pretty well this year. Just stopped here. Not really actually sure what road this is, but just a little stop over here. Figured I might as well stop here for just a little bit before I get back on the road. But yeah,